Today's short how-to video is about making seed starting pots. We all have an abundance of things that we can use without spending any money, and we can keep a lot of things out of landfill and also a lot of things out of the recycle system because that takes even more embodied energy. So each week we get these sale ads, newspapers, and these are perfect for making seed starting cups. You can just start with a piece, open it up, fold it in half, and then you can just tear it. And I've already torn this. So next all you need is a toilet paper core roll, and you're just going to wrap the paper around the core, tap it down, and then you're going to twist it off. And there, you have a perfect little seed starting cup. You can fill this with planting mix and you can plant your seeds. And I'm going to show you that in another video. Have a great day.